Attention all men! Are you ready to reclaim your masculinity and boost your testosterone levels to new heights? After seeing this video, you can finally say goodbye to feeling sluggish, low on energy, and lacking confidence. We've got the secret to unlocking your inner powerhouse, and the best part is that it's all natural solutions. In this video, we'll reveal the top 6 scientifically proven ways to increase your testosterone levels naturally. From diet hacks to exercise tips, sleep strategies to stress busters, these simple yet effective techniques will have you feeling like a man on a mission. So sit tight and get ready to transform your life with these insider tips on increasing testosterone naturally. As people age, they tend to experience low sex drive, weight gain, and depression, all of which can be attributed to a decrease in hormone levels. The male hormone is called testosterone, and it is literally in charge of how every man performs. Hence, being observant of your testosterone levels should be a task you don't joke about. The male sex hormone contributes to the development of the male genitals, and later in life plays a role in the increase and decrease of the male libido, muscle mass, bone density, metabolism, and a lot of other things which play a big role in the development of a man. We want you to perform at your best without side effects from using supplements and medications in trying to boost your testosterone. Starting at number 6 on our list is physical training. Training hard does not mean going outside and running for hours every day of the year. That will do more harm than good to your testosterone level. The type of training that helps boost testosterone are high-intensity interval training and compound weight training. High-intensity interval training requires you to do a particular movement, either with weights or your body weight for intervals with rest in between the sets. Compound weight training involves movements done with heavy weights. These movements require the use of the whole body, like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, just to name a few. This style of training not only helps build muscle, but also burns fat, which leads to a decrease in estrogen levels and an increase in testosterone levels. A 2016 study of obese men found out that regular training did more to increase their testosterone level than losing weight as they initially intended. Physical training is one of the most utilized modes of increasing testosterone naturally because of the benefit of either losing weight or building muscle that it comes with. So taking up this natural way of boosting testosterone not only gives you your desired result of having a testosterone boost, but might also get you into that dream body you have always wanted. Next up, at number 5, we have deep sleep. Good sleep is one of the most important, yet one of the least talked about, natural tools to increase testosterone levels. Probably because it is free and does not require you to go to a pharmacy or supplement store to get a prescription. People often talk about the kinds of food to consume or the types of exercises to do, but no one talks about how much sleep you need to get to maintain a healthy testosterone level. The importance of sleep on testosterone levels cannot be overemphasized, as various studies have shown that people who get 8 hours of sleep or more have higher testosterone levels than people who get less sleep. Most people claim to get enough sleep and still do not see changes in their testosterone levels. If you sleep and keep waking up in the middle of the night, you are most likely not sleeping deeply enough. A deep sleep involves you being snoozed for 8 hours or more without waking up throughout those hours. I know it sounds impossible, as most people have never experienced such a level of deep sleep. The major things that prevent people from sleeping deeply are the things we engage ourselves in before bed. We are all guilty of being on our phones, computer, or even television at night till sleep takes us away. The blue light from our screens has almost the same effect the morning sun has on our senses, which is alertness. The nighttime is meant to be a cool-down time where all our senses will start to rest till sleep comes. One of the ways you can get better sleep and boost testosterone is by reducing screen time at night. Or, if you have to come in contact with blue light, invest in any anti-blue light glasses. Strenuous activities also have a major effect on how good or bad your sleep is going to be. Engaging in strenuous activities close to bedtime increases stress levels, which affects how well you are going to sleep. So stopping or reducing the intensity of your activities a few hours before bedtime can help increase the quality of sleep you get at night. Late-night eating has become a norm among people due to the kind of jobs most people do, whereby they get home late from work, have dinner, and go off to sleep immediately. However, finding a way around this habit will help increase the quality of sleep you get and also increase your testosterone levels. Moving on to the fourth item on our list, which is eggs. This is one food a lot of people have misconceptions about. Most people grew up hearing, "Eat just one egg a day," or "Eggs are bad for you because they have cholesterol." Yes, they do have cholesterol. But not all cholesterol is bad for you. Researchers have found that the cholesterol dangerous to health is created by the liver, which is caused by the consumption of foods with a lot of saturated fat. A large whole egg contains vitamin D and omega-3, which both help in the production of testosterone. They are also packed with nutrients that are good for your eyes, like lutein and choline, which are very good for your brain and nerves. It also contains a large amount of protein, vitamins A, B, and D, just to mention a few. Half of the nutrients in a whole egg can be found in the egg white, while the other half can be found in the yolk. If you have not been consuming, it is high time you started. Your testosterone levels will thank you. At number 3, we have pomegranate. This is one superfood that is not commonly talked about for its testosterone-boosting qualities, as most people just see them as regular fruits. They contain very good amounts of fiber, carbohydrates, magnesium, fat, protein, and vitamins C and B. Pomegranate is well known for how it aids sexual function and fertility. The polyphenols in this fruit help to improve endurance during exercise and also aid muscle recovery. How the food is digested plays a large role in how the food is broken down and made to perform various functions in your body. Pomegranates contain large amounts of beneficial gut bacteria, like lactobacillus, which have very good prebiotic effects on your gut, giving you a healthier gut and aiding better digestion. A study in 2012 by Ahmad Al-Dujaili proved that eating 300 grams of pomegranate per day can help boost your testosterone by 24%. They contain a very powerful antioxidant called punicalagin, which is responsible for most of their testosterone-boosting qualities. This fruit is very good for all-around health care, so you want to get your hands on them for great sexual health and a boost in testosterone levels. Next up at number 2, we have stress. There is no doubt that we all have one thing or the other causing us much stress in our lives, like health issues, family problems, or possibly financial issues. However, allowing these issues to take over your life will stress you even more and add more problems to the ones you are currently dealing with. Your stress level has much more impact on your hormones than you fathom, especially the stress hormones. Your stress level affects a lot of things, including sex drive, sperm production in men, and most especially testosterone production. stress affects the testosterone level in a very tricky and dangerous way. Low testosterone in the body leads to having a stressed body and causes testosterone levels to drop even lower. You can easily get caught up in this dangerous cycle, so avoiding unnecessary stress, both physically and mentally, would go a long way in boosting testosterone levels. And at number 1, we have sunlight. Telling people to expose themselves to sunlight at a time when everyone does everything to prevent the sun from touching them sounds insane. The sun has many health benefits that people do not pay attention to, especially the positive benefit it gives to testosterone. In 2021, some Israeli scientists wanted to discover what exposure to sunlight does to mammals. So they used mice for this test, and they found increments in the hormone levels of the mice. The study found that daily exposure to sunlight in the middle of the day increases testosterone levels in males significantly. The researchers found that sun exposure increased the sexual attitudes of the male mice and female mice. The full-body sun exposure increased the female mice's sexual responsiveness and also increased the male's sexual arousal. Exposure to sunlight has been proven to improve performance generally, as it increases your level of alertness more than when you are not exposed to regular sunlight. The vitamin D obtained from sunlight plays a huge role in recovery, as research found out that vitamin D, which is a great booster of testosterone, is produced more on the skin using energy from the sun than when it is being sourced from food intake. Another research study on athletes has shown that the performance of athletes peaks more at the same time the light from the sun peaks during the day. This just further proves that the energy from the sun does so much in increasing performance levels in humans. If you have been trying to improve your performance level and boost your testosterone levels, exposure to sunlight is one routine you should adopt. This natural way of boosting testosterone does not require spending money on a gym membership or purchasing testosterone-boosting foods. It just requires you to spend a few minutes of your day away from the shade of your home and office and expose yourself to sunlight. Most of the health issues we face and run to medication for can be attributed to low testosterone levels and can be tackled by focusing on increasing the level of your testosterone instead of spending so much on medication. Trying out these different ways of boosting testosterone naturally will definitely get your testosterone levels higher than they have ever been. If you have been watching till now, and you have gained something from this video, then go ahead and click on the video showing on your screen now so you can enjoy more beneficial content like this one. Also, you would do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime there is a new video. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.